I just received the material for the sawmill. It turns out I don't have all of the material to build a proper sawmill, so that's why I had to buy some more. Couldn't get material for the log dogs, so I guess I'm gonna start building the jack stands now and think about the log dogs later. So yeah. So now I have unloaded these suckers. These were pretty heavy. They should be S355 steel. This should fit inside this tube. So the plan is to make the jack stands using this 24mm threaded rod and accordingly these nuts. I'm gonna weld this washer here, insert these two welded nuts welded to this washer here, tack weld these corners, cut these edges off, weld this, and it will have a threaded end. These washers have a 22mm hole in them. I'm gonna have to turn these in the lathe to 24mm. So let's start cutting stuff up. So it definitely doesn't fit in here. I'm gonna have to cut it open maybe. When I cut it open from here, I can grind this weld down. It was too good to be true. Damn it, it's wedged in again. So now it moves pretty freely. In order to keep the welds from sticking to this inner pipe, I'm gonna use a pencil and cover it with the pencil. I hope it works. I don't really know, but let's try it out. that's pretty good. Go and cool it off. So this is the mount for the jack stand, and it fits in here in every direction, which is good. So now I have to drill the holes for the lock pins. It is a bit crooked, but it'll work. So this video was more like proof of concept. I've seen many sawmills using jack stands like these, but it was proof of concept because I had to prove myself I can make this jack stand with the materials I have. So concept proved. I will start working on the other 5 jack stands and they will definitely come out faster. Hopefully in the next video this sawmill trailer will be on jack stands and I can start thinking about the axle. Yeah, thanks for watching and hopefully we'll see in the next video.